Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Thinkorswim platform for options trading. First, download and install the Thinkorswim desktop platform from your brokerage account. Once installed, log in with your credentials. Take a moment to explore the main tabs, such as the Trade tab and the Monitor tab, to get a feel for the platform's layout. Understanding these basic areas is your first step toward efficient options trading. Next, let's customize your options chain. Go to the Trade tab, then All Products, and expand the options chain for a stock. Click the gear icon to add or remove columns. I recommend including key Greeks such as delta, gamma, theta, and vega for better analysis. You can also filter the chain to show only calls or puts, specific expiration types like weeklies, or a certain number of strike prices, perhaps 10 strikes around the money. Now, let's set up your charts for options analysis. You can chart individual option contracts by right-clicking and copying their symbol, then pasting it into a chart. In chart settings, enable features like open interest and theoretical option price. Thinkorswim offers powerful analysis tools, such as Option Hacker, to help evaluate strategies. Remember to add your preferred technical indicators, and consider enabling extended hours trading sessions for a comprehensive market view. Finally, placing and managing your options trades. You can initiate a trade directly from the options chain by clicking on the bid to sell or the ask to buy. The order ticket will appear, allowing you to specify quantity, order type like limit or market, and time in force. Consider setting your default order quantity in the application settings, perhaps to 1 or 2 contracts, for quicker entry. Always practice in the paper, money account before trading with real capital, and continuously monitor your open positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.